Alright, so in this video presentation I will try to show you how people, the mass, the general people, very common retail traders, investors, they do exactly opposite to what they are supposed to do. The basic rule of trading and investing, there's a basic mantra which says that you must cut your losses faster, early, and let your profits run. So when you are wrong, accept it, cut the loss. When you are right, you just let it go and collect more and more money or profit. This is the basic rule, and how everyone is completely deviating from it and completely doing the opposite. So this is a website. This is basically a traders community. The forex currency pairs, the people who trade around the world, this is a community of them. They publish their results, their trading activities, their performance, and this is recorded here, summarized in different statistics. So on this page, first let us go back to the bottom of the page. There is some summarized information there. Here it is. So this one here we can see the data is based on verified real accounts, real money accounts, and they are refreshed on real time. People on average has deposited $21,000 in their account. The most interesting figure is the total funds. This is huge. I think this figure is probably in billion, something like that. So this is not a small community, small money. Thousands of people are there. They have their funds and they are trading. What they are trading, the currency pairs and different things are listed here. The most popular one we will have a look at, that is called Euro versus US dollars. 19.4% people are trading in that pair. So let's have a look what is happening there. This is the one, top one. So here we can see that in this pair currently 70% people are long. Long is the term used for bullish, means the people who believe that the market will go up or is going up. 30%, 29% people are short, who believes that the market is going down or will go down in future. So they are selling this pair. And we can see 70%. How much money is involved here? 15,238 lots. One lot indicates 1 lakh or $100,000. Huge amount. 100,000 US dollars is just 1 lakh, and the total amount people are buying here is 15,239 lots, and the people who are selling here is only 6,500. That is the status right now. This is the current status. So now let's have a look at what is happening in the currency. People have this position, 70% long, 30% short, but what actually happening in the market? Let's see. So this is the chart will come up now, and we will zoom out to see the trend. See, amazing trend here. This is right from March till May 17th, May 18th. What is happening here? Continuously market is sliding down. Down, 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 down. There is a little bit of correction here, went up, not that much, then again started down, down, down. And what people are doing here? This green line shows the long position, which means people who are bullish. As we have seen that 15,238, they are long, they are bullish. So continuously during this period when market is falling, what people are doing, they are buying, 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 buying. Again, they are never selling. Most of the people, the maximum lot is continuously buying. So what they are doing basically, they are just escalating. They are accepting, they are not accepting their mistake. The loss is escalating and they are continuously holding it. Only a small community of smart traders which are here, they are the smarter ones, but they are much less number in less in number. They are selling this particular market and they are making money. So these guys are making money, but the majority here, they are continuously buying this market and making losses. So let's go back a little bit. let's have a look at this region. This was between March and April, probably mostly the month of beginning of April and to the beginning of May. What happened here? The market was climbing nicely. See, this is the way the market was climbing. And what these people were doing here, they did exactly opposite. They are selling here. The majority is red, so they are selling. So in this market they were supposed to buy and buy and buy and make profit. Instead they are just selling. They are making loss. They are not cutting down their loss. They are simply holding on to it. So this is a completely opposite things people are doing. So do they do it always? Means do they always make loss? This is not 100% time that happens. So there are certain periods when these people are correct. So we will try to have a look at identify those periods when they are not wrong, and when they are right, what do they do? That is also another interesting observation. Well, I'm not yet able to find a period when people were actually right and they were doing the right things. Actually, it's very difficult to spot, and they do it, but very occasionally. So most of the times they actually do the other thing the opposite way. So we had a look at euro versus US dollar. Now if we have a look at any other pair, say for example, this is also another very popular pair, US dollar versus Japanese yen. So if we see what is happening here, most probably we can see the same thing is happening there, the same mistakes people are doing. So let's zoom out this chart. Let's see what is the major trend here. Yeah, you can see the major trend here is clearly up. This has been going up right from the beginning of May, and it's continuously like this going up. And here again also what people are doing, the majority of the people are red, which means they are selling, and continuously they are doing the exactly opposite thing. Only the smarter ones, a very small number in quantity, they are these green ones at the bottom, and they are the ones which are buying and which are making money. So the majority most of the time always doing exactly opposite to what they are supposed to do.